Hi all, I'm Parvathy. Today we are going to talk about my vision board. And last year I have made a video on how to create a vision board and what all wishes I had. And I got a lot of support from that video. So this year, New Year is coming, and I want to talk about how my vision board worked out and how it didn't work out. So I'm happy and not happy at the same time. But let me show you the vision board. This is the vision board I created. If you didn't see that video, you can I'll just give that in the description. You can go check it out, and there is a tutorial on how I did that. So this year also I'm not making a different tutorial. I'll be doing the same procedure, so you can just go through that. And I also made some things like this, like 2025 is my year, and it was like a card which opens up like this, and I had some of my wishes in that. And I also made this card. It was like a flipping infinity card, which I had added some of the pictures I wanted. So let's start talking about it. Before getting started into each and every wishes that I have added in this, I want to tell you that not all wishes come true. And in social media you can see that a lot of people are talking about all their wishes came true and everything. Please don't feel disappointed if your wishes didn't come true, because for me also many things come true, many things doesn't. So reality is like that. So I hope you have a peaceful approach towards this vision board. And I hope you all can create a new year vision board for 2026. So let's get started. The main thing that has happened in my vision board is this silver play button. I can't believe how deeply I wanted the play button, and I worked so hard. I quit my job and I dedicated 1 year for doing only YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And in that few months, I have made 3 lakh followings on Facebook and almost 2 lakh on Instagram as well. But still, YouTube was a little hard for me, and suddenly some of my videos went viral, and this happened, and I am so thankful for that. And the next thing is that this picture represents me being a business owner, and this represents me taking a selfie with my orders from my business. And both of this has happened because I have started my brand, and I didn't even expect people would order from my brand. If you don't know, my brand is Craftera. It's a fashion brand. You can check it out on my Instagram and on YouTube as well. So that has happened, and I work so hard, and it is not even easy. And it's not only because I put the pictures on the vision board, it is because like I had this drive in me, and I've been trying for more than 2 3 years. So effort also matters, but you have to make a similar kind of image which you want to achieve in your life, and you have to add it in your vision board. The more the clarity, the more exact thing will happen in your life. Okay. And the next thing is meditation. I've started the year very nice, very good, peaceful. Half of the year I have done meditation very well, but in the second half I couldn't do it. And the next thing is money. I am not a money-minded person, and I don't talk like I want to make money, I want to get rich, I want to buy expensive things. I was not like that, but I am realizing that I should be like that, maybe a little bit, because I had the opportunity to earn more money. And when I started the business as well, I was not giving much focus to the finance aspect of it. And money came, and it is flowing. Okay, it's not staying with me, but I have had a lot of involvement with more money than I usually do when I started the business. So yeah, money is coming, hopefully. And now this picture represents me going to gym, working out, having a community, people. So this year I started off great, but by the half of the year I got into a different job and I had to quit gym temporarily. Then I didn't restart yet, so I'm hoping that in 2026 I can do that. But I have worked on my abs a little bit, and my abs are not visible yet, but I have become very lean, and my health is not in a very good condition right now. But I hope that in the previous year and this year, I have been a little bit regular in gym, and I hope I have the strength inside me. Even when I restart, it will be helpful for me. And the next thing is happiness. This is something, this is not a materialistic thing. Happiness is about finding peace and being calm and not being too dramatic and overthinking and everything. So this year I definitely made progress in being peaceful. Even though you have money, or even though you don't have money, or if you have a, if even if you have so many problems, you can still be happy. That is what I found. It's not like solve all the problems and then be happy, and happiness is not a time in between solving one problem and new problem arising. So it's not like that. So that is what I learned. I don't know if you will understand or relate with that, but this is what I learned in this time. And one more thing I want to say is that the things which didn't come true is that this is a picture of food. I mean, healthy food. I really tried to have good food, but I was not eating much. I was stress eating. I was not eating healthy foods, and this year was not a good year for me according, according to my health. Okay. And this picture represents traveling, and I did not travel anywhere this year. I just went to Kerala, came back to Bangalore, again went to Kerala and came back to Bangalore. I didn't go to any other places, but I did went to Chennai for a work, but that was not traveling. It was just for work purpose. So yeah. And then what else is there? There is driving here. That also I didn't. I have a license, but I couldn't drive my car because it's in Kerala, and my father doesn't give it to me, and I need to learn by myself and then take the car, and I don't have much time to do that because I go for a weekend or something and I come back here. And I had this dream of buying a bike. That also didn't happen. Hopefully this coming year it will happen. So yeah, that's it about this vision board. And then I want to talk about this is the most interesting thing that I've done. So this is written as 2025 is my year, and what is inside is that some of the main pictures, but look at this. Thank you for 100k followers on Instagram. I literally am on the edge to become 2 lakh. So after making this card, few months after that, I have already crossed it. And when I made this card, I had literally 5,000 followers, and some of my videos went viral. And so I just wanted to show you that this was a dream for me, and it came true in few months. So the point is that you make what you want, you select the pictures, select the dreams that you want to and then just make something out of it, create some craft, put it as your wallpaper, do something, and then work towards it. And I also forgot about this, but sometimes I look over my crafts, and I discovered this. So this was something which I've never seen anybody doing something like this according to the vision board stuff. So this is the things I want to talk about. And if you are somebody who wants to create your own vision board, these are the few stuff you can try. And also I would like to show you, this is a cake image which I wanted to cut on my 100k. That also got true. You can see I have made videos on what can I say, 100k cake cutting celebration. And also this is the image of me doing a photo shoot. I hope you can see this, me doing a photo shoot for my brand. And I also made some mood board for Craftera, clothing brand Craftera. I have written like that. And that time I didn't even start the brand. I didn't even have this shop. I didn't even have this studio where I'm sitting in. So the point is that I was so scared that me owning a clothing brand, I couldn't even believe it. So the point is that you don't need to believe it. You don't need to have the courage or the confidence to do it. The point is one step will lead to another step lead to another, and then at that time you will become more and more confident, and eventually you will be able to do it. So the point is that don't worry if you don't have courage, don't worry if you're scared, don't worry if you have this unsettling feeling about will you be able to do this. Doesn't matter. Do you want to do this? Are you passionate about doing this? That's it. That is the only question you need to ask. The most scariest thing as well, you can just put it on your vision board and little bit try to work on the steps, basic tiny steps, and then you will be shocked on what will happen in your life. So I hope you all like this video, and I will be creating my new year vision board, but I'll be following the same steps that I followed in the last year tutorial which I made, because that is by far the easiest method you can make a vision board and the fastest method. And you can even do it while you are at work, or even if you have a laptop, you can just put it on your laptop and download the pictures and add it to Canva and take a template and just go to a shop and print it whenever you want, right? And make sure you can put it on your wall. This was on my wall. I just removed it last week, and my wall is looking empty now, so I really want to make my new year vision board. So yeah, that's it. So this is the video that I wanted to make today. I will not be editing this video. I just post it like that because that is, I wanted to tell you what is the reality, right? So I don't want to edit this video, and I don't want to do any of that. And it will be very I'll be very grateful if you leave a comment or a feedback in the comment section, because I would like to know how you guys enjoyed this video, and if it helped any one of you, you can just mention that. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.